Welcome in the next section of Miyagi course. In this section, I will talk about the business usage of ChatGPT, and I'm super excited because this is where the rubber meets the road. It's not just concepts anymore; it's more like how you use it to create a vision of your future. And I want to show a specific use case how you can teach ChatGPT to be your coach. So not just your assistant, like do this first and first, but instead ask you questions. And by the way, how you answer the questions, it will give you a specific recommendation based on that. So it's very, very powerful. Please use it with care. Okay, so I want to, before I get into it, I want to show you I want to talk to you about the Paradox of Choice. This is a book by Chouoce, and I really like this book because it tells you that one choice is not a choice. Two options is more like a decision, this or that. From three options, you have a real choice, and above three, it's the paradox. In this, it's more like overwhelming, and therefore you cannot really decide. And I think most of the people live like they survive their days instead of creating their future, and instead of living to the next future you. So in this lesson, I want to talk about how you can live into the next version of you and how you can use your uh, growth mindset and abundance mindset to become your future you. Okay, so we will use a prompt. You will find the prompt below this video. It will um, so I will read out. Let's think step by step. By the way, this line helps you to create a better prompts in general. Help me to create a vision for my career. Ask me four questions, one question at a time, to help me reflect on my values, interests, skills, and aspirations or goals. Don't ask the next question until I answer the previous one. This is very important because this way it will turn out to be an interview. So instead of asking all four questions at once and you have to write a lot to answer them, it will play like an interview and you are the interview designer. This is very important. The thing is, close it with and by creating a vision statement that guide my future strategic decisions. So by the end, you want to state that okay, this is the outcome I want. So you start with less think step by step and then this is what you want, these are the four questions, and don't ask me the next question until I answer this one, and by a vision statement. So it's very, very useful, and you will find the prompt below this video, but I want to show you how it works. Okay, so what are the core values? So let's say freedom, independence. And here I don't want you to copy paste. This is why I don't write it below the video, because I want you to come up with your answers. Okay, independence, commitment. Let's see. Brave or courage and honesty. And then ChatGPT saves my answers, and then it proceeds and asks me the second question: what activities or subjects are you most passionate about and generally enjoy doing your free time? So AI, video generation, marketing, bootstrapping, or entrepreneurship, and bootstrapping. Bootstrapping stands for when you start a business without money, and let's say video courses. I write it here in the end. I want to make a living by selling video courses and also selling via webinars, especially interested in video generation, marketing, and AI. So let me try this. Okay, the third question. Great. What are the key strengths? For example, copywriting, video marketing, email marketing. What are let's say launches, webinars, and I think that's it. Let's maybe I add public speaking or making friends or social. So no, I will not add this. So you can add if you want, but I will try to keep it very short and simple. Excellent. What are the aspirations for the future? I want to create my own base bootstrapped and bootstrapped from zero and video sell video courses and webinars and programs or seminars. Very good. Thank you. And your vision statement. It reached the end result. So, wow, it's quite long. I envision creating a successful independent business that embodies my core values of freedom, independence, commitment, courage, and honesty, leveraging my passion for AI, video generation, marketing, and entrepreneurship. I will build a bootstrap enterprise from the ground up. My business will specialize in producing and selling high quality video courses, webinars, and programs, and that provides immense value to my audience. With my strengths in copywriting, video marketing, email marketing, and launching successful campaigns, I aim to empower others through education and innovation while achieving personal and professional fulfillment. That's amazing. At least I wanted to show you not just the technique, but also how empowering it is to create a vision for your life and how it will liberate you from your ordinary fixed mindset and also bring you not just a growth mindset but also abundance mentality. That this is the vision I want to create. This is very very powerful. So and it really energizes you. So I wanted to show you not just the ChatGPT skills, but also this exercise because it will lead you along the way, and you will teach ChatGPT to ask you questions, and you are the designer, the questionnaire designer. So I wanted to thank you for taking the time and watch this video, and see you in the next video.